Hello, my name is John. The procedure I had here at the Geller Dental Group was a full upper implant procedure. I had the partial dredge because of various teeth breaking, and the dentist I was going to would replace one tooth at a time and caps, various things. And in the beginning wasn't so bad, but they became painful. They got loose and had to be adjusted. They would break. And I came to see Randy Geller, and he explained what implants could do for me. And I opted to do it and never looked back.
Initially, when he came in, he had a removable bridge that he was not terribly satisfied with. He had challenges eating, socializing, and some of the common things when teeth are removable. Right from the get-go, I sat down and had a conversation with John about what dental implants can offer. His first response to me was, "My last dentist told me this was my only option." And I said, "Unfortunately, your last dentist was wrong." And he kind of gave me a very, very quick thumbs up and said, "I like what you have to say, and let's move forward. Let's get this done."
When he extracted the teeth, I figured, there'd be a lot of pain involved after the Novocaine wore off, but it was fine. I was out there mowing the lawn. Randy loved that. He did a good job pulling the teeth. Then when he finally got the implants put in, there was nothing, they just fit like a glove. It was great. They didn't look fake, phony. They looked very natural. Randy Geller's an artist. He really knows what he's doing.